Welcome to TBCS. I'm Tanfir. Today I'm here for explaining how to write a relevant topic. When a topic appears in front of a student or a candidate, okay, this is a general tendency writing irrelevant talk. This is bad. We will evaluate it on two issues. How much we are relevant, okay, and how is your complexity, criticality, diversification, lexical resources. So basically will be evaluated for two purposes. One is the quality of what? Quality of issue, mean thematic issue, mean subject matter, how much our subject matter is enriched, subject enrichment, mean how much raw materials you have. Second matter, how much is our linguistic power, that is quantity. Okay, actually that is quantitative and this is qualitative. I mean your lexical resources, punctuation, accuracy, linkers, ornamentation, these are the linguistic matter. But in international exam, I told several times, if the subject matter is wrong, how much your linguistic quality, no matter, you will get bad result. If this is right, you have better writing power, but your theme is wrong, you will get failed, you will get ungraded score, right? On the other hand, if your subject and language both are accurate, you will be evaluated properly. Okay, without prolonging the issues, I am going to the suppose the freedom of mobile using by children, the freedom of mobile using by children. Okay, this is a very contradictory issue. Worldwide there is two types of people. One type of people support mobile using, another type of people don't support mobile using. But I do believe internationally mobile using is appreciable, because any medium, any opportunity, any good things cannot be said goodbye in excuse of some problem. Basically, mobile could be the great instrument for getting education, being connected, lot of things. So good things should be appreciated. Moreover, how the bad things could be avoided need to be discussed. Okay, so direct talk, how to write the direct talk. Having the opportunity, having the unavoidable opportunity of mobile or cell phone being used, mobile or cell phone being used. Okay, so having the unavoidable opportunity, mobile or cell phone being used, having some used, how the drawback, of cell phone could be minimized. need to be discussed. Okay, the topic is freedom of mobile being used. Okay, so discussed. The matter should be opened to the children. Giving some instruction, giving some motivation. You were watching that. This is one of the sentence, just this is one sentence, really. This is a sentence, only one sentence. I try to give one sentence in one video. Okay, and this is not the beginning sentence, just one sentence. I try to explain how English live grammar could be having the unavoidable opportunity of mobile or cell phone being used. This is totally a name, big name. This is totally a big name. This is grammar, being. After grammar, this being, verb plus ed, I always give this triangular shape for the verb. And this is innate, natural English, that after being, obviously the verb will be ed. How? What is the name of grammar? No need to know. You just practice the grammar. You utilize the opportunity of grammar, not the name. Our life is getting destroyed because of the name of grammar. We need to know the natural grammar. We need to know the practical grammar. We need to know the existing grammar, not the name. All better school, better institute, there are two systems. Better institute practice the grammar, so their salary is 18,000, Scholastica Mastermind. And Moriam Uchcha Vidyalaya, they give name of the grammar, so their salary is 1800. So we have to be away from the name of the grammar, more about the utilization of the grammar. So don't take it otherwise. I didn't tell any name. This is not my intention to blame any school. Actually, just an example. I am telling the Bangla medium. Moriam Uchcha Vidyalaya is a famous Bangla medium. Okay. So, how the drawback of cell phone could be minimized? Having the unavoidable opportunity of mobile cell phone being used, এই unavoidable opportunity ব্যবহার হওয়াটা, how the drawback of cell phone, this is again a grammar. কিভাবে করা যেতে পারে? Minimize, this is verb. I told that always after be, again ed. Okay, need to, this is another grammar, could be minimized. Actually here there is like this, need to be, this is need to be, this is another grammar. I just grammar block, verb triangular. Okay, need to be, this is grammar. I am not telling the name of grammar. And discussed is the verb, discussed. After B, obviously there is ed. Please memorize, after B there is ed. So having the unavoidable opportunity of mobile or cell phone being used by children, I should write children, how the drawback of cell phone could be minimized need to be discussed. The mirror should be opened to the children, giving some motivation. I am supporting the use of cell phone. Why? Because I have to be with the international community. international image, international globalized thought. Why? Because I have to support the most supported, mostly proven path, not the local path, right? And for getting better number in international writing, you need to believe which one is the local and which one is the international thought. International thought is more brightened, more rectified, more supported and proven. So for getting better number in IELTS, SAT, O level, you try to write supporting the international opinion. Okay, I'm just for I have explained one sentence. In the next video I'll explain another sentence, and this is the live grammar class. I may have many problem cutting the part of the video. Don't make it roasting. Okay, no matter you roast or not, because I am making video without preparation. Thank you very much. Thank you.